Mariam with that rendition. Can we make that applause for her a lot louder than that? Thank you so much, Yinka Davis. I'd like to mention that we've been joined virtually because this program has been televised on most of the social media platforms. And we have them on Facebook, Twitter handles, and we have Ambassador Ile Ife Ajayi, Ambassador Mohammed Bello, and Katuga, Professor Ajaguna from Jamaica, joining us virtually and watching the proceedings of these events live. Moving on very quickly, Your Excellency, Your Imperial Majesty, we've actually introduced the author. It needs no further introduction. And even when we invited the book reviewer to come up here and reveal the book, he wants to step further to tell you a little bit about the author, the aspects that I didn't touch. I'd like that you just establish your shorts and move to the side so that KBC can afford to watch the goings on in this event. I also welcome all of you that are seated from diverse parts of culture and tradition. Your Imperial Majesty, sir, it is a brilliant, indefatigable, visionary, diplomat par excellence, and very, very vivacious, a rare gem, and prolific writer. Please, if your hands are not very busy, please join me in welcoming with a very resounding applause as a welcome. Before we invite the author, KBC just reminded me that in the course of the goodwill messages, that we left out someone.
The honors, the Oloris, distinguished Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a great pleasure to be here this evening to witness this epoch-making occasion. It's important to congratulate the author who has deemed it fit to put this together, especially this time when we have misrepresentation, misinformation, misinterpretation at all levels. This will give credence to the status of the Ile Ife as the cradle of civilization, as the cradle of the world. I congratulate KBC for giving this event is impremature to ensure that it is not a fluke that Ile Ife is indeed the cradle of the world. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much. I forgot that he's a senior advocate of Nigeria, and so that tells me that he's a legal luminary of very, very high standing. Please, let's give him another round of applause. Thank you very much, sir. Your Imperial Majesty, Julie Bishops says, and I quote, "Our cultural diversity and tradition has most certainly shaped our national character." And then Lady Cotton's probing says, and I quote, that when men are oppressed in a society, it is termed tragedy. When women are oppressed, it is said to be tradition. End of quote. This brings me to this point where I'll invite this great woman of substance. This woman who has cut her teeth